guys? My name's Andrew. I'm from Kentucky. I play drums in a metal band called Bloom State. I've been playing drums for about 25 years. I really like the 7As. I've had these sticks for about a month and a half. I've played 5 or 6 shows, and we just went and recorded an EP, and this is what they look like. These are extremely durable, and I hit hard, so I really like the 7As because I hit hard, and using heavy sticks just wears out my arms, so I like 7As personally. They're extremely durable. They got here in like a week and a half maybe. So, and Collision, they're very in touch with their customers, so I really like that. Anyway, enjoy this video of me performing one of our songs called It's a Lake, Not an Ocean. It'll be available everywhere soon. Download it, share it, check it out.